Flor, this is Dickie Bill Wagner with Media Magic Marketing, and I'm doing a screencast website analysis for how your website is ranking with the Google search insurance agency El Paso. Okay, and organically, you're down here, number 35, right there. There you go. So I really had to do a little bit of scrolling to get to you on that regard. On the Google Maps, there is no ranking for you at all for insurance agency El Paso. And I know you have a Google profile because I Googled it. It did come up, but I had to look for you specifically. If I was looking for an agent here, you weren't to be found in that listing. So we'll get right to it. We're going to look at your website real quick, and it looks great. I see that there's some links here. You could use a couple in the words here. There's no links here, and internal links. So what we would do is link to somewhere else on the web page. These are, and that's great. You have testimonials. This is a problem here that this page can't load Google Maps correctly. That could actually hurt you in reviews. Now, looking at your competitor here, Mount Franklin, who is at the top of the organic list after the sponsored ads and the lists. So Allstate has a list of their agents in the area and what have you. These guys were at the top organically. You could see here in their content is internal links. You click on it, it's going to bring you to somewhere else. As far as Desert West, they were also really high in there. A lot of links here. It's okay. We're going to look at the actual numbers of why people are ranking higher. Okay. Your domain rating and your URL rating right here are a little bit loose as far as the ratio. Those numbers should be within 5 of the what it takes, within 5 units of each other. Okay, you have 2.7 thousand backlinks. That's great. 68 referring domains. Your keywords, I did discover a problem with it. Now, as far as this is all accumulative, okay? So you can see that you're ranking a little bit higher here for El Paso Insurance Agency. One that I found was what was interesting was when I looked at the others here. This is Mount Franklin, which is a little bit tighter in their ratio. They have 164 backlinks, 96. They have 433 monthly volume to the traffic, worth $783 or approximately so. The keywords are huge here. And you can see, I like to look at the positions where they're really ranking on a lot of these things. Let's see. El Paso Insurance Agencies are number 7, but all these low numbers go towards them ranking very high in the Google search. And then we're looking at Desert West Insurance. They have 80 keywords, and once again, their positions are higher than yours. That's really what the issue is regarding why they're ranking higher, and that your Google profile needs a little bit of work to get it jump started. So my recommendations for what you could do with your website is basically tighten up this, and that comes through backlinks like blog posts and that kind of thing. Internal links on your website, fix the map that's at the bottom of your page because it's not displaying properly, and that'll slow your website down. And then work on ranking your keywords. What you need is keywords in the content itself. And that's all I got time for. Thank you. I hope you have a great day, and this was helpful.